afternoon everyone, it's Ian at DIY Home and Gardening. Just going to do a quick video for you on growing runner beans Scarlet Emperor in a container. Just show you that yes, it is possible, and get some decent plants growing in there. So let me spin around and show you what we'll do. Right, so here's one for you. Whilst I'm at work, which as some of you may remember, I work in a garden centre. I always get asked about growing things in containers. What can I grow in what container? Can I grow vegetables in a container? And the answer is always yes, you can. Just pick the right type or suitable container for your purpose. Runner beans, can you grow them in a planter? Yes, you can. Of course you can. So this is a wooden planter that I made in the previous video. So I made the planter back in April. Filled it up with some decent compost. I had some runner beans, literally had half a dozen left over from last year in seed packets. So I've sown those and grown the plants in here. As you no doubt realise, runner beans do grow at a rate of knots, so they quickly ran out of go and started taking over the space in the indoor area, so I had to plant them out mid-April. A little bit early compared to normal, but they're doing well, really well. So all I've got, again, half a dozen canes, string, made an easy wigwam shape, and as you can see, we are last week of May and we've already got plenty of flower setting on this. So yeah, growing beans in a container, no problem, easy. Just make sure you keep them well watered, feed every week with a tomato food, and yeah, you'll soon have a good crop on those. So thanks for watching. As always, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please subscribe or send me a message. See you soon. Bye.